Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today, we got some snacks. We got some goodies. What do I call this? It's a munch pack. I'm not used to it because like I'm used to doing the other one, you know? Forgot the name already. But this is munch pack. Shout out to Elijah. He sent it to me, you know? That cool? He just...
Oh my god! I want to see what's inside.
Okay.
I'm
right.
hungry.
Look at that.
It looks cool. I like it. And it feels heavy.
I'm a little excited. What can I say? You want to check out the menu here?
Wait, where's it from? Japan? Yeah. So it's from Japan. That's pretty cool.
Man.
Yeah.
It's got some good stuff.
Wait, is it? It says featuring delicious snacks from Argentina, Italy, and more.
So this is like a variety type thing.
Cool.
This is not just from one place.
Mm-hmm.
It's from several.
That's interesting. Oh, you got a
And we got a drink. Huh?
From Italy. Italy.
Well,
right?
It does have the flag. So
yeah, it's from Italy. So right there, from Italy. Made from using lemons only from Italy, mixed with the light fizz of traditional tonic water. This drink brings just enough sweetness to leaving you wanting more.
This looks cool. Black? Like, this looks sick. It's good.
Oh my chance, Rudy. What the fuck, dude?
It's good. It's way good. I'm excited.
Oh, damn.
Your titties on my arm.
That tastes pretty good. I bet you anything on tastes so bomb if it was cold, huh?
Oh, man. Look at this.
Is that the caramel ones?
No, but it's like the ones that I always get, but it's chocolate.
From Canada.
Oh. Okay.
I bet. Let me try some. Let me smell. Let me see. It smells so good.
This is so good.
Cookies and cream. Hell yeah.
Canada.
Oh, the other one's from Canada?
Who?
The other ones that we get.
The boys?
Mm-hmm.
No, just kidding.
No, wait. What the no, the caramel ones.
Oh. I don't know. They don't say on there. Man, I can't remember the things that they say.
Yeah, eh?
No, not
them.
The Nelk boys.
I know, that's what I'm saying. When they say
Not really, but yeah. Look, I'm gonna think about it, right? It's gonna come.
Ah, so good.
Got this. These are Miss Vicky's Honey Dijon. Ooh, man, this thing too. I like the packaging, that like
from
paper,
Canada.
like, you know what I'm saying?
I think Canada has some really cool packaging.
Like, I like it. It makes it feel like a little bit more, ooh, like it's like healthy, but it's not.
Good?
That is way good. It's crazy, huh?
Damn.
What?
These are bomb. I don't know why
they are, right? Look, alright, this, okay, Taiwan. From over here, these ones are from over there.
Your eyes look green.
It's the lights, you know what I'm saying? It's like when they hit, they just can. And I was just like, I don't know, that's too much. Now you don't let me have one? What the?
They're bomb. They're
really?
like
What are they?
Chorizos. I mean, what? What is those things called that I like that are pork rinds? Is it chorizo?
Chicharrones? Okay.
Right?
They have this look like tater tots though. What ones do you like better? Those ones or these? Yeah, these are good. These were way good, eh? Is that racist? I hope that's not racist. Way good. Honey Dijon.
That is
I
from
already
Poland.
know. Back up. It's focusing. Oh. From Poland?
Yeah.
It has car inside?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Why did you do that?
Whoa, it's good. This box had my name on it.
I don't know. We're married 50-50.
Oh yeah. I thought it wasn't gonna have it because it's the end, but it has it on the end too.
Oh really? Damn it.
I was expecting different though. It's like white in there. What are you doing? She's like, ooh, that's so good.
What's up, guys?
Is it good? Hey, you gotta back up. That's not... Jay, that's not how this works. We gotta show it off first, you know, like... And then, okay, then we can eat it. You're gonna like this one. No. You're gonna like these ones. These ones look good, right? All right, okay, let's... Bam! This is Taiwan. Taiwanese.
How do you know?
Just know.
From Japan.
Oh man, I didn't know there was that many to choose from. I just figured like the writing is like the other one. I'm so sorry, guys. It looks cool. Look how cool they look. I don't know if it like it's big. You want it? Oh. Ooh, it's like your little cereal ones but big. Whoa. No, you bite it, okay? You don't do the whole thing. You just...
Damn, that was good.
You like it? It's good. Yeah.
That was actually good. Not what I was expecting.
I know, way different. What is it? I don't even know what it is. It's like a little chocolate cereal.
Like a chocolate cereal melt.
Choco corn. There's only 2 more.
Your eyes look really beautiful today.
Thank you.
You're
You always look beautiful. You were just trying to get one from me. Like as soon as I was like, oh, thank you. She like, she distracted me with it. Oh my god.
What's that?
Boom. Totally blocked the...
Thing.
I can't like... Okay.
Oh my god, sorry, excuse me. That soda.
The soda. Okay.
That's from the USA, I already know it.
What? No.
It's the
Why?
Hawaiian Pint.
No. That's like...
Yeah, USA.
This is cool. I thought it was just gonna be those... Oh. Okay.
Pretty good.
Good though. Did you like it or what? That was so good. That's so good, huh? You like it? Oh, what? Okay, I just messed up. I was like, man. Like, I looked at it. I opened it from the bottom. I was like, oh, big chocolates? What? I looked at it. I opened it from the bottom. But it's a little muffin looking
When I
thing.
replay this, it's gonna look so funny because my mouth dropped. What is it?
I don't know. It's a Mr. Brownie. This is in English and everything. Get out of here. I'm like, I don't know. It's from Australia. I don't know where it's from.
It's from Spain.
Like, dude, it says Mr. Brownie, rich, moist, and fudgy. Blondies.
Ooh.
Oh, it's good. You like it? It's good, huh? You like it? Do you like it? How did you make such a mess in 2 seconds? I haven't been getting my boxes, you know what I'm saying? So like I'm so out of touch. I'm like opening stuff before I even show it. I thought they were gonna be hard, like.
Me too.
But.
Oh god.
Here, you want this? Ooh. Don't bite it. Okay, you hold that for me, okay?
I like those, like the tug.
Some big ass peas.
Don't shut me up.
What I like though is that she's like a little baby genius, you know what I mean? So like when she does take a big piece, she uses like her other hand and like she like makes sure like, oh no, it's going down the wrong. She like will like take it out and like take a little bit or like, huh? You a little baby genius or what? It's so funny cause like you know like when you have kids and stuff like. Other people have kids and they'll talk about their kids, you know, and how smart their kid is and how their kid is the greatest, you know, and you're just like, no, he's not. No, he's not. No, he's not. You know, you know what I mean? Like people could be at work like, oh my god, he's so cute and he did this, and I'm just like, no, he's not. Like, oh, he's the smartest, and I'm just like, no, Like, he's not. Whenever they talk about their kids, you know what I mean? Like, how great their kids are. And how they did this, and how they do that. Check that out. Oblita, dulce de leche. Oh, that's from Spain?
Probably.
Let me see. Because I just read that in Espanol.
Dude. No, Argentina.
Son of a... Okay, it's from Argentina.
It's so complicated.
Yep, that's my favorite. I knew it was gonna be my favorite. That's why I saved it for last. Like, I saw it in there, and I saw you keep going for it, and I had to like maneuver it and stuff. Like, no, let's do this one. Jade, here. You wanna try it? She's like, here, you eat this. She's like, come on. I really like the black. Like the black candy stuff. Like, oh. Like, that looks badass. You don't get your ass, get this together. What? Get in the game. Like, look, gorda. But yeah, dude, it never fails, man. It never fails. Every single time somebody's at work, I just like smile, you know? They're all talking about how great their kids are, or how their kid's so smart or whatever. Everybody thinks that their kid's the greatest, you know? Like, I think Jay's the greatest. All my other kids are the greatest.
Yeah, oh, Ma.
We are the greatest.
Don't you take a big ass bite, look.
You better not. Take it out. Give me it. Baby, I just said you were a genius. Don't choke on camera. You're gonna see. She took it out. You saw how? That's how I told you. And you can tell when she likes something, because like she'll give it to me, but like as soon as it's like close, she's like she'll pull it like real quick. It's like just like for fake, you know, like just like Jade, I'm not. She knows what I'm talking about. Okay, we're gonna make this. You're not gonna see it, but I promise you, I'm gonna eat it. It's gonna be little chocolate thingies. Like you pour the chocolate, boom, pour it into here, and then it has the little sticks.
You do it right now.
It's gonna make a mess.
Not unless you make a mess.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a mess. That's what I'm telling you right now.
I wanna do it. You can't do it all in one. It's just a tip.
Oh, I know what he... Girl, you gotta back out. Back out.
Why the fuck you put the word shit like? Why the fuck you put the word shit like? Why the fuck you put the word shit like that?
Okay, well, I'm the one.
I
Can you
wanna
stop?
do it.
I want to use my creativity. I want to like mix it up. Okay, here, hold this one. Okay. Okay.
She's so cute.
Did you just squirt that in your mouth?
Yeah.
The fuck? Hell, it did it nonchalant, just like nothing happened. Like... Jay, do you want some? Oh yeah, buddy. Want some more? Oh yeah.
What?
Whoa, chill.
I like their squeeze tubes. It's like not too much. I don't know what I meant.
Oh, that was gross. How'd you put that? You can taste the. Don't give it to her. You can taste the plastic, like. So like it's not good like doing it like this, like sucking it. Like I sucked the air and everything. It was like, you know what I'm saying? I don't know how y'all suck weird. Just hit the back of my throat. In here, I'ma take all my clothes off. Yo, if she ain't never heard of Nelly, she's too young for you, bro.
And we've had her meet before too, you know.
All right, again, look at that smiley face.
That's cute.
Shout out to Munch Pack for sending me this. I feel like a bona fide YouTuber, you know what I'm saying? I get packages and I'm like, what? Don't talk to me.
Is that your first
I'm
package?
a YouTuber. I'm a... Yeah.
Hold on, for real.
Like with my name and everything.
That's
you know what I mean?
cool.
Like, just for me, you know, not for, you guys. Like, if you guys try it out, here for you guys. No, just for me. You know what I'm saying?
That's cool, babe.
Yeah, so I shouldn't even have shared with you, but you're lucky I love you or whatnot. Whatever.
I always share with you, you dick. God.
It's different, you know what I mean?
Okay, whatever.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell somewhere right here, huh? Anything else you want to say?
No.
Huh? My lovely assistant.
Thank you so much.
Just kidding. Just kidding. This is my wife, okay?
Okay, thank you so much. We'll see you. Bye.
Sorry.
Okay, finish
Okay,
it.
let's do it again. Thank you so much. Oh, you smell so good.
You smell me?
Yeah, you smell delicious.
Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to check out his
gotta
other videos that we'll have listed down below of him unboxing snacks. Wait, ow!